Hey guys, I want to share a product with you that I use on almost every single cook that I do on the Big Green Egg or on the Camp Chef Woodwind pellet smoker, but it's called the Meter Plus. This is a wireless probe thermometer, and this is an extender base. So this goes into your meat and monitors the internal temperature and the ambient temperature, and it'll connect to any iOS or Android device. So the plus part of this is that this is a range extender, so you can put this somewhere near the grill that the probe is in, and this gives you a better range for the device that's connected to it. One thing I really love is I can leave an iPad at home and I can take my iPhone wherever I go and I can still see all the data from this device because it is stored in the cloud. So I'm going to show you how it works today. I always try to insert it in the thickest part of the meat. I'm going to go right from the end and go straight into the center. So you can see I actually have 3 different meter probes. I'm going to be setting up the one on the bottom. I'm going to tap Setup Cook. I'm going to tap Pork. I'm going to tap loin. The recommended internal temperature from pork is somewhere between 140 and 145. I'm actually going to bump it down to 140, and I'm going to choose to start my cook. Right now you can see there's an alarm for estimated ready. It's going to let me know once the meter probe knows about how long the pork loin is going to take. And then the bottom one is going to alert me 5 minutes before the end of the cook. I typically add more alarms whenever I'm smoking meat, and I want to set one for a 165 to know to pull it off and wrap. Across the top, we have the internal temperature of the meat, the target temperature, and then the ambient temperature of the grill. You can see that first alert came up now, so I can now see the predicted remaining amount of time for the cook. Here you can see I got the 5-minute warning to let me know to get ready to pull it off. All right, you can see it's telling me now to remove it from heat. You'll notice that the internal temperature is only 133 because it is factoring in that rise of the internal temperature during the rest period. And let's cut right into the middle of this and see how it looks. Let's eat, y'all. If you want to check them out, click the link in my bio and there's a direct link to Meter in there.